Hi, Tigers. It's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's math lesson. The first thing I want you to do is take a minute to find these numeral cards. You've received them in a supply bag or your teacher has sent them home. If you have not had a chance, go ahead and cut them out so that we can use them for today's lesson. When you're ready, go ahead and push play. Okay, Tigers, now that we're all ready with our number cards, let's look at the screen. What do you see on your screen? Besides Mrs. McCarver, of course. You're right, we see some blue triangles. Your job today is to try to figure out how many blue triangles there are on this screen and use the number card to show how many there are. So you're going to choose your number card to say how many triangles are on the screen. Remember, when you count, we've learned some strategies, so you might even want to touch your screen to help you count. Can you hold up the number card to show how many there are? One of these numbers is correct. Does your card match one of these numbers? If not, you might want to count again. Now, let's see how many triangles there are. I'm going to make sure I touch with my finger and say one number for each triangle. I will also use my pointer to show you what I would do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 triangles. Let's see which number card says 5. Is that the number card you chose? Down, around, put on a hat. That's the number 5. Let's try another one. How many smiley faces do you see? Count them and find the number card to show how many. Does your number card match one of these? If not, try again and see how many smiley faces there are. Let's count together to see. 1, 2. There are 2 smiley faces. Which number card shows the number 2? That's the 1. Curve around and slide to the right. Does your number card match mine? This time I see some purple arrows. Can you count how many arrows are on the screen? Then find the number card to match. Does your number card match one of these? If not, what do you think you should do? That's right, you might need to count again to check your answer. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, don't be tricked. Sometimes it's hidden, but there it is. There are 7. So where is the number card that matches this group of objects? That's the number 7. We talked about it yesterday. Slide to the right and slant it down. Look at these hearts. Can you count to see how many there are and find the number card that shows that many? The correct answer is one of these cards. Does your card match? If not, think about how many there are and count again. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the number card that shows 6. There it is. We learned that number yesterday too. Curve down and curve it up. You'll notice on your number card there is a line under the 6. That tells you that that's the direction the card goes. The line should be at the bottom. So our 6 starts at the top, curves down, and curls around. See if you can practice doing some more counting and then try to match it with the number card. Maybe you can get the cubes in your supply bag out and practice counting with those.